How to download Paylocity mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download the application named Paylocity. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up your Play Store from your device. Then at the top search bar, you have to type in Paylocity. As you do so, you will see this application at the front page. Now, this is the right application that you should have in your device. So let's go ahead and tap on install and wait a couple minutes till this process gets completed. Once the installation has been completed, it will say open. Let's go ahead and tap open. Now from here, you can easily enter your credentials and get logged into your Paylocity account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.